increment, checking the boundary conditions, and so on every loop iteration. Is there other way to do this? Yes, there is. From this movie, you will learn it. When we use counters, we want its value to be in a certain range. For example, if we want to count the seconds or minutes, we are only interested in the range from 0 to 59. Let's look at an example. In every iteration of loop, variable count is incremented, and then we check whether it has exceeded the maximum allowed value. If so, we assign minimal value from the assumed range. However, there is another way to achieve the same effect. You can use the modulo operator. In example shown, 1 is added to the variable count, so we have a traditional increment here. Next, we apply modulo operator on it. Thanks to this, the variable count will be assigned the remainder of 60. For example, if count plus 1 equals 60, the remainder of 60 will be 0, which will be assigned to the variable count. So we achieve the same effect as in the previous example, but without using the if. Same way we do decrement. However, it's a little less obvious. It would seem that just change the plus 1 from the previous example to minus 1 will be enough. However, this will cause that our count will reach 0, and then it will be further decremented until minus 59. Next, minus 60 modulo 60 give us 0. So what do you need to do to decrement variable count in the range from 59 to 0? Add 59 instead of minus 1. Then we will receive decrement in the range of 59 to 0. How does it happen? For example, let's look at the first iteration of the loop, when the variable count equals 60. Adding 59 to it will give us 119, and after applying modulo 60, it will give us 59. When variable count is 59, adding 59 give us 118, and after modulo 60, it will be 58. In conclusion, instead of checking in every loop iteration whether the variable count exceeds the assumed range, we can use the modulo operator to increment or decrement. Then we can assure that the variable count will change within a certain range.